ce mec va essayer de vendre son lingot d'or qui lui a été légué par sa grand-mère et qui a une très grande valeur. Et comme d'hab, l'offre qu'il va recevoir de Rick est vraiment lunaire.
I got a gold bar I want you to look at.
Oh wow. Hey Pops. You wanna come look at this?
Where in the world did you get this? Grandma just passed away a few months ago. We were cleaning things out, and we found this thing.
So, what did you want to do with this? You want to sell it?
Yeah, we want to sell it.
I would like someone to take a look at it. This could be off a ship, just because of this right here.
Well, what you've got here are the finest markings. These particular stamps I recognize from the 1500s, and even at that time, gold was evaluated on a 24 scale. Definitely coral incrustation. Coral will attach itself to something harder to grow.
Okay.
That would have taken, decades to have attached itself. This thing was underwater for a long time.
So how much do you think it's worth?
Melt times 2 is what you're talking about.
So you're telling me that's worth $48,000?
In that neighborhood.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
So now that we know, what do you want to do?
I still want to sell it.
Okay. And how much would you like for it?
Well, if it's worth 48, I want 48.
Yeah, money talks, we're talking different languages at the moment. I really like $32,000 on it.